Okay, so we're out looking for birds' nests and we found one. Right here. See it right there. It's the bird's nest. I can get a better picture of it. Okay, right here. There we go. That's the bird's nest. Right there. So, okay, we got some people coming, so we better keep on rolling. A lot of people don't like the dog off the leash. Oh, by the way, we found our way onto a trail. Oh, and there's another bird's nest right there. The big one. Look at that. Right on the top of a broken tree. Okay, you can see it right there. That's two. Oh, look, there's another one. We're finding lots of. Oh, there's two of them. Dog's friendly. So that's two birds' nests right together. Maybe I'll keep you on this since we're almost out. Okay. So we found a few. We're coming out to the end here, so I just passed a guy that had a couple little Benji type dogs.